Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Wingdings font is available on your system. Install it if missing. Once set, open the document or slide and select the exact text box where symbols belong. Change the font to Wingdings before you type, or select existing characters and apply the font to convert them into symbols. This first step ensures character codes map predictably. Make sure to save a copy using a standard font for editability later. Now you map the characters you need. Open a character map or glyph panel to preview Wingdings symbols so you can pick exact glyphs. Type the corresponding letters or numbers in your document while the font is active. Once done, they render as symbols. If moving content between apps, copy by glyph or use Unicode code points to avoid substitution. Also, make sure to check spacing and size. Wingdings glyph widths differ from regular fonts, so adjust tracking and line height accordingly. Finish by embedding fonts when exporting, for example to PDF, so Wingdings displays correctly on other systems. You should also include a short legend or plain text fallback for accessibility and recipients without the font. If symbols render as boxes or wrong characters, reapply the Wingdings font to the source text, clear formatting, or paste glyphs as images to lock appearance. One troubleshooting tip: check for conflicting font substitutions in your OS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.